Hello, and welcome to the Easy Tile Shelf Support Installation Guide. I am Alan Reyes.
And I am Ivan Reyes.
And today we'll be showing you how to install our Easy Tile Shelf Support to save time when doing one or multiple corner shelves in a shower.
Here we have our Easy Tile Shelf Support. It is made from 5052 aluminum. 5052 aluminum is commonly used in marine applications such as fuel tanks, oil lines, and other boat parts. It is also used in kitchen appliances like freezers, kitchen sinks, and many more. That's some information about the material we use. It is very versatile.
Moving on, guys, here we have a shower with the walls already installed. In this case, we'll be needing to cut an 1/8 inch gap on either side of the wall so we can fit our tile shelf support. 1/8 inch is also the same thickness as your average grinder blade. Moving on to the install. First, determine your desired height and mark off the area with tape. Using a level, mark your cut lines on the tape. Using the shelf as a guide, mark points 1/2 inch on either side of the tabs. Next, make your cuts and clean up the area. As you can see, our 1/16 inch design allows it to easily be installed into grout lines or cutouts made with your angle grinder. After your cuts have been made, check the fit of the shelf in the opening. You want to make sure the corner tabs of the shelf are flush to the wall. If not, you can trim the edge of the shelf to create a perfect fit. At this point, if your shelf has plastic, remove it and you're ready for install. Once you have the shelf fitted properly in the opening, you can apply mortar to the two tabs on both sides, top and bottom. Gently but firmly push the shelf into position. With the shelf in place, you can install your tile finishes. Here we have a 12 by 24 tile. You can get both cuts needed from just one tile. The first cut is a 15.5 right angle triangle. The second cut is a 1 by 16 strip with miter at the end to make flush with the wall on both sides. Apply mortar and install like any normal tile. Finally, take the 16-inch metal profile edge and miter the corners to create a flush finish with the 1 by 16 tile strip. Just add mortar and install. Once your install is completed, just wait for it to dry and you're ready for grout. This design will keep your shelf size constant every time and make life much simpler if you have to come back and add additional shelves later on, which tends to happen very often in new construction homes.
Here we have 3 different finishes: miter, metal profile, or stone trim. They all look great and match your wall. With the Easy Tile Shelf Support, you will save material and lots of time as opposed to some traditional methods. For 10 years, I installed shelves that did not match your wall, they looked mismatched, or made them out of tile using the old method, making 6 cuts or more, taking a lot of time and material. Now you can save tile and lots of time with our Easy Tile Shelf Support. It is a very cost-effective product.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video. You can contact us at the link below if you have any questions, or visit us at reyesdesigns.net for an updated growing list of our distributors.